Hello, my name is Harry. I'd like to talk about this week meditation topic, me who has inferiority. Yeah, since I was born, I had a lot of inferiority. I used to compare myself with others, like my classmates, no matter what I'm doing, like studying, sports. Even though I try something, I start to feel that I'm not doing good enough, and I easily gave up. So even until my 20s, I could not achieve anything because once I start to feel not good enough and just gave up. So that was my 20s with huge frustrations. But gladly, I met this meditation afterward, and meditation enables me to look back on myself, like what makes me to feel like not good enough and inferior. I saw myself that, that's not true me, real me, but the false me and my false minds, that those minds are illusion, minds that I need to just let go and be free. And after that, my action, my life start to change. Like no matter what I try, I start to stop comparing myself with others and just focusing on what I'm doing, like my progress. And I see the result little by little, and I see myself getting better. I no longer need to feel the inferiority, but just to keep doing it until I can improve and also achieve something. So I'm really happy that I met this meditation, and my life has improved so much better. So now I'm able to do things so much better, so much more. So I'm really thankful to this meditation method and the teachers.